Your Excellency, the man God destined to govern Rivers State, a humble man of God, a man whose life reflects the fear of God, a man who doesn't talk too much, but he does a lot. Your Excellency, welcome again for the second time within 37 days to ONELGA, Ogba Egbema Ndoni local government area. Our people have a saying that a man shows love either with his mouth or with his leg. The governor has demonstrated both symbols to the people of ONELGA. In the few months he has been in charge, Your Excellency, welcome again. Let me join our people to welcome you. Even though I'm your guest, but let me, at this point, align with my people's welcome to you. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, let me welcome the Pro-Chancellor of the State University, who happens to be my wife. Our royal fathers, the Oba of Oberland, and the immediate past chairman of the State Council of Traditional Rulers, and all the other royal fathers that are here from other kingdoms. Elder statesmen, leaders of the party, leaders of the state. My dear brothers and sisters, let me the existing protocol and appreciate your presence. My job is very easy. The governor has summarized what I'm supposed to do. But let me say that the governor, by the way he has taken off in full control of governance in Rivers State, we want to thank him. Because governance is about the people. And he has chosen the mantra, people first. What else can be added to that? And he's demonstrating it by action. So, Excellency, we want to thank you, commend you, urge you to remain focused on the people in all you are going to continue to do as our governor. I can tell our people that the next election is very far. But what the governor has done so far is enough to secure the support of what Wike and Donny local government area going forward. Thank you, Your Excellency. Because the greatest asset of the state remains the people, not oil and gas. The people remain the greatest asset. So once your focus remains with the people, especially the less privileged, the poor, those who are struggling to feed every day, once they remain your focus, I want to agree with you that the sky will become the takeoff point of your administration. Ndeke klemu no. Obo klemu no. Ebuega hima. I will stop there because this is home. Your Excellency, a decision to honor us with this opportunity of commissioning this road is a great honor, a humbling honor to us. Your Excellency, like the address that you were presented with said, this local government is the host of the highest percentage of oil and gas in Nigeria. There is a saying that if you go to every house, the people who work in the kitchen are usually the fattest. ONELGA people are aspiring to represent Rivers State when it comes to where the benefits of oil and gas have given to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. They want it to show in the way they look and the environment they live in. Our people have thanked you for the recognitions you've given to the local government in the appointments you've so far made. God will bless you. We want to assure you that from the corners we sit, we will make sure that no ONELGA appointee of your administration gives you cause to be worried or to doubt their loyalty to your administration. Go home and sleep with your two eyes closed with any assignment you give to an ONELGA son or daughter. Our people are behind you. Rivers people are behind you. The entire state is rallying behind you because they trust you. They believe in what you say because they know you say what you mean and you mean what you say. Your Excellency, we want to thank you. Don't get tired. Like our royal father has told you, don't be afraid because the people represent God. And when the people are with you, be assured that God is with you and no man can shake you. We commend you for the strength of character and commitment to purpose that you have demonstrated so far. Keep it up. Keep it up. We are proud of you. The state is proud of you. And they are standing solidly with you. May God bless you and keep you strong and committed, focused, and moving forward, taking Rivers State to where Rivers State ought to have been. That is our prayer for you. It is on that note that I will humbly invite your